fifth wheel and trailers like the one I have behind me come with rubberized roofs. Very easy roofs to maintain and inspect, not a lot you have to worry about. Anything that protrudes through the roof has caulking or sealant around it, that's what you have to look at. Should you see some dry cracking, splitting, you just want to go ahead and scrape that old sealant away, reapply new sealant what's recommended by your manufacturer, and just go through the roof front to back. Also, when you're pulling into a campground or driving through neighborhoods, any low branches that drag across the roof of your trailer, that can actually put a little tear in it. So what you'd like to do is, if you do come across that situation where something did drag, please just get on the roof, inspect it, make sure there's no hairline cracks. If there is, they sell tape, you can put it right over it and seal it. Other than that, the roofs are not recommended for anybody to kind of go up there, hang out with lawn chairs or anything like that. They're not meant for that, unfortunately, so just get on it for inspection and get right back off. And La Mesa RV does offer free roof inspections for your convenience.